Welcome to Bossman Cooking, where we teach you how to make restaurant quality food at home. Now, you may want to be fixing something to impress some friends, some family members, or maybe just feeling like, something really delicious for yourself. But anyway, what we're going to show you today is how to make mac and cheese, and we're going to make it with a little twist to just elevate it just a little bit. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share, all that other good stuff. Notification bell so that you can find out about more videos, all that good stuff. Take care of that now so that we can get into this and you can completely focus on making this delicious mac and cheese. Now, let's take a look at our ingredients for today. We've got 4 cups of cheddar cheese. We've got 2 cups of Applewood Smoked Gruyere. And we have some smoked Gouda with bacon. We also have some milk. Oh, we can't forget our noodles. We've got some heavy whipping cream. So that's 3 cups of milk, cup of heavy whipping cream. We've got a stick of butter. We've got some bacon that's gonna go up in this joint. And we got some flour here. And for our seasonings, we have a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. We have some smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of pepper, and a half teaspoon of salt. And that's what we're gonna start with. Now, of course, as you're fixing this, you want to salt and pepper to taste. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cook our noodles. We're not gonna do anything special to the noodles. We're just gonna fix them. Just basically follow the directions on the box. Nothing special. Now, once your pasta is done, you want to take it out, dump it into a colander, run some cold water over it because you don't want it to continue cooking. You may even want to drizzle a little olive oil over it, mix it in, and that'll keep it from sticking together. While it cools, we're going to get into making our cheese sauce now. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to melt our butter in our pan. I'm going to use 1 stick of butter. Now, while the butter's melting, okay, you want to put this over a medium-high heat, like a medium heat right now, till it gets melted. And then I like to lower it down just a little bit, just so I can whisk in this flour. So now you want to sprinkle in your flour and whisk. Don't just dump it all in, please. Just a little bit at a time. All right, so now we want to pour in about a cup of the milk and then whisk that around. See how thick that's getting? Now we're going to drop in our 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And once again, we're gonna whisk away. See any lumps? I don't see any. Looks good to me. How about you? You see any lumps? Looks nice and smooth to me. Look at that. Look at that dripping off of there. So now we wanna turn off our burner. We're gonna start adding some spices and some cheese. So here's our salt, our pepper, our garlic powder. Come on, garlic powder, there we go. And our paprika. Our smoked paprika. Let's not forget that. Because when you add that smokiness, that extra smokiness to it, that gives it all kinds of flavor. And now let's get to adding some cheeses. So, we're gonna start off about a cup of the cheddar. Starting to thicken. Now let's get about a cup of this Applewood Gruyere. Like the way that sounds, Gruyere. So take about half of what we got in this bowl. Yeah. Now, we want to get this smoked Gouda with bacon. We're gonna do about half of that too. Yeah, about half what we got up here in this bowl. Boom. Look at that. All that good cheesiness. I think I want to pop this burner back on real quick, but put it on simmer. Melt some of this cheese a little bit faster. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more cheddar up in here. Another handful of the cheddar. Look at all that cheesy goodness. All right, folks. So our pasta is done. Our cheese sauce is done. All right, so now all we gotta do is just put all this stuff together now. All right, so let's assemble this. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to take our pasta, we're gonna put it in a bowl. We got our delicious cream sauce, and we're just gonna pour some over top. Okay, so now let's mix this up, and then we're going to add the rest of our cheese sauce in here and get it all combined up nice and good. I'm sorry, very well. Make sure I'm speaking proper English. You know, we probably got some teachers out there watching, you know. All right. So we had to go get us a spatula, get all this cheesy goodness out. Look at that, look at that, look at there, look at there, look at there. All right, let's mix this all in. Look at that right there. Make you just want to stick a fork in right now and just go to town. All right, let's move this off to the side and let's bring our bowl in. So this is the bowl that we will use. It's already been greased down. You can use either butter, or some folks are, you know, fans of the sprays. I'm a fan of the spray. So I've already sprayed my bowl down. Take half of this and put it in to this dish. So let's, boom. Okay, and now we want to sprinkle some cheese inside, okay? So what I've done is I've taken our cheeses, our remaining cheeses, should I say, and I have combined them into one big bowl. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a layer of this cheese in here. Give it some more cheesiness. Don't forget them sides. Okay. And then I'm going to add a little of our little additional bacon that we cooked before, our bacon bits that we're starting out with. And now we want to wrap this in some foil tightly. And we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. All right, now, this is what we've all been waiting for, the big reveal. Look at that. Look at that. That looks absolutely fabulous. See that bacon on there? Pockets of bacon. Wait till we get inside. Man, oh man. All right, let's get ready to serve it up. Now, when you take this out of the oven, you want to let it cool down for about 10 minutes. Look at that. Look at all of that cheesy goodness. Wow, cannot wait to take a bite. Look at that steam coming off of there. Like I said, you gotta let it cool for a minute. Now let's get a taste of our delicious, beautiful mac and cheese, bacon mac and cheese. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. How delicious. Folks, you can make this at home any day of the week. I want to tell you, thank you. Yeah, I'm talking food in my mouth. Make me want to holler. Let me put this down before I take another bite. So look, folks, you can make this at home. Very, very simple recipe. Just follow along and you got this. Anyway, thanks for watching the Bossman Cooking Show. Once again, we teach you how to make restaurant quality food at home. On your dime and on your time. Anyway, peace and love, beautiful people. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Cannot wait to see pictures and all that other good stuff on the gram, Twitter, wherever you do it. That's where you'll find me. Peace and love. See you soon.